Have you ever stopped to think about the true cost of faster processors in smartphones? While faster speeds may sound appealing, there's a hidden downside when that power causes your phone to heat up uncomfortably. In 2025, smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S25 are pushing boundaries, offering speeds that are 40% faster than older models. However, there's a catch. They tend to heat up quickly, which may leave you questioning if all that speed is really worth the discomfort. The iPhone 16, for example, may not run as hot as its predecessor, the iPhone 15, but it still faces issues with overheating. Apple, it seems, is already planning for future solutions, with rumors about a possible new cooling system in the iPhone 17. But why is this happening? High-performance chips, while offering lightning-fast speeds, consume a significant amount of power, and with that comes the inevitable heat generation. And when the device gets too hot to hold comfortably, you can't help but wonder if we've reached the limit of smartphone performance. Take the iPhone 15 Pro as another example. It faced overheating complaints shortly after launch, leading to speculation that Apple might intentionally reduce the performance to curb the issue. Though this didn't happen, many users of both the iPhone 15 and 16 still report their phones getting uncomfortably warm during use. On top of that, we have Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which promises impressive speeds but struggles with overheating. When this happens, the phone automatically slows down to prevent the temperature from rising too high. In the end, those fast speeds don't seem to deliver the experience users were expecting when their devices heat up or throttle down. The bigger issue is that overheating doesn't just make the phone uncomfortable to use, it can actually damage the internal components and significantly reduce the lifespan of the battery. While manufacturers race to make their devices faster, users are left with phones that get too hot, drain battery life quicker, and may even suffer long-term damage. So what could be done to fix this problem? The answer might lie in improving cooling technology. The Galaxy S25 has made progress with its cooling system, increasing the size of its vapor chamber by 40% and incorporating specialized thermal interface material. While this is a step in the right direction, online complaints indicate that even these upgrades aren't enough to prevent overheating during intensive use. The pace of innovation in cooling technology has been relatively slow, and as AI and other power-hungry technologies gain ground, smartphone manufacturers will need to rethink their approach to cooling. Passive cooling systems seem to be reaching their limits, and it's clear that newer, more efficient solutions are needed to keep up with the demands of modern smartphones. The question is, what comes next for smartphones? It seems that, for the most part, they're all starting to look and feel the same. Faster, sleeker, with great cameras. But beyond that, what's truly new? AI and foldable phones are creating some buzz, but they haven't yet captured the mainstream audience's attention. Despite more affordable foldable options entering the market, they still haven't become a major trend. So why are companies focusing so heavily on speed? How many of us truly need faster processors for everyday use? Smartphones aren't designed to replace high-performance computers or gaming rigs, and for most users, the speed boost isn't substantial enough to outweigh the added heat, battery drain, and potential throttling. It's time for a change in perspective. Rather than chasing ever faster chips, smartphone manufacturers need to focus on more thoughtful innovations that solve real-world problems. Until they can find a way to manage heat more effectively, the race for faster processors might not be the right direction. Users are past the point where they need more power. What they need is smarter designs and features that enhance the overall experience. Until that shift happens, it's hard to see where smartphones will go next. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like it and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.